A brand new flash from Viltrox, the Spark Z3. I definitely recommend it. I'm gonna tell you why. First off, the design just looks really neat. It just looks super high tech. Glass, you see the technology on top of it. And it also has TTL. That means full automatic mode, and you don't have to worry about what power you have to be in to get the flash photos that you want. And it has S1 and S2 mode, so that way this could also be a slave. If you want to get creative photos and you got one flash going off, then the flash will trigger this off, so you could get an angle flash and you could get creative photos with this tiny little flash. To control the strength of the flash, it's a big dial back here. You just simple as that. So very quick to change. And I like the loud clicking noise too. For the TTL mode, instead of actually saying TTL, it says A for automatic mode, and then M for manual mode. Godox came out with this guy right here. It's a little riser. You zoomed all the way and the big lens is in the way, causing a little round shadow on your subject. So when it's higher like this, then it's not gonna hit the lens. But the best part about this little riser, you could flip it up and get a bounce flash photography. And you could face it forward, get flash, and you could lift up, boom, at an angle. How cool is that? And it has a built-in battery, allows you to take flash, full power flash up to 670 times. It charges through USB-C, so if you're worried about like, oh, what if the battery dies out and I don't have a battery to replace it? Check this out. So I got this cool little iPhone charger, USB-C iPhone charger slash, I got my Quest 3 charger that you plug into the side. It charges your battery, it charges your camera. It also charges your flash. So if you need extra power, just leave it on, let it charge, and you can just continue to take photos. I'm gonna put the link below. It comes in a set of 2. So when that dies out, you put the other one on and it charges, and now the flash lasts you forever. So you don't have to replace the battery that's in here. So very cool little gadget for sure from Viltrox. Viltrox has a lot of cool stuff too, like lens and lights. I've been making videos for them for years. They got some awesome lenses, super affordable as well too. And I got the discount code. You get a discount using my link below. So if you do use it, I definitely recommend it. Please leave a comment. Anything will help. And if you could hook me up with your email at cameratofilm.com, get yourself in my email list. I want to send out free tutorials and training stuff, and I want to share everything I know about camera, video, photo, drone, everything. And as I'm getting older, that's all we can do. Just share it. So definitely appreciate you. And yeah, I'll see you next time.